Alright, Rideout Repairs and Renovations. We did a renovation here because the water heater supply line broke and flooded for a two-story house. So you come in and everything's new. Gabe Shillman Fine Carpentry came in and built these stairs. Red oak treads. Did the slate fireplace. All new painting, drywall, new blinds. This is 3 1/4 red oak floor. We put in this custom door right here so that you can access underneath the staircase. Put linoleum in there. A little bit of extra flooring. This is Beto Escamilla. He did all the trim. This fine trim right here. Put all that in. I had granite come in from Bellagio Granite and Marble. We used the existing cabinets and painted them. And I did the backsplash out of slate. New appliances. We installed these little handy drawers right here. 2 of them. We put crown on the cabinets to be able to improve the existing cabinets. This is the laundry room. Little dog door. Little tile transitions. They're all custom dimmers. And then we added some shelving in this little closet here. Put a little rod in so she can either have a coat closet or shelves. That's removable. This is the downstairs bathroom. We reused the same toilet, just kind of jazzed it up with a new handle and a new toilet seat to match, and the little chrome brush nickel caps down there. And we added on a little cabinet above the toilet. And then we had granite come in, and we painted the existing vanity, and did the granite in the sink and the faucet. New lights. Hey, I'm Bret Rideout. There you go. Custom plates to match the look of the bathroom. Heater closet. Put linoleum down in there. Goes back pretty far. And then we'll go upstairs. 14 red oak treads, MDF risers, MDF stringers, and then we put baseboard all the way up. Looks nice with that entry. New fixtures. We put a new attic access in. And the hardwood continues up here. Here's the culprit of the damage, the good old water heater. All new painting, custom transitions, and then this is laminate flooring. It's a floating laminate floor. She's got 2 bifold closets in here. They're both the same. Painted them. They've got lights. Put some plates up here too. Then did all the tile in the bathrooms. This is the master bathroom. Painted the vanity. Where's my knife? Had the granite installed on the vanity top. New fixtures. Existing toilet. New cabinet, same as downstairs. We just kind of dressed up the shower a little bit. Nothing fancy. Custom vents in here. There's the master bathroom. All new faux blinds. The door goes out to a deck. We stained the deck. New fan installed from scratch. And this is the guest bedroom, which has reused laminate flooring from downstairs, which was the original flooring. We were able to use that over. Homeowner decided she wanted to paint that wall faux. She did a really good job. We put matching wooden vents to match the laminate flooring. Blinds. I didn't have enough flooring to do the whole room because it was saved, so I ended up tiling in the closet, which is kind of cool. It's different. She's going to do some shelving and organization in there. So this room turned out pretty good. And then here's the guest bathroom. It's pretty simple tile layout with the tile base. We painted the vanity and put granite on the vanity. Same thing up here, new fixtures. Put that cabinet in. Kind of same thing over here, dressed up the shower. Little hook on the back of the door. Brushed plates. And that's it. You'll get tagged. Okay. Here, I'll show you in the video. This is Jeanette Couch. She's going to be with Jeanette Painting.
Oh my goodness, I didn't know you were...
Well, it's on, so...
You need to tell me. I'm
I did.
No, I thought you were going to show me something.
That's all on here.
Well, that was ridiculous. You could have taken it off.
Beto's been doing an excellent job. So there you go. There's the renovation, restoration. All the fixtures are dimmable and able to create the mood in here. And that's it.